today we have very interesting exponential equation. How we can simplify this result? So we can write this result 2 exponent of 3x. We can write 8 exponent of 4x square is equal to 2 exponent of 3 whole exponent of x. Now 8 exponent of 4x square is equal to, this will be 8 exponent of x. Now this is our same directly, so we are comparing their exponent. 4x square is equal to x. Most of the students they are taking cancel to each other, x and x square are cancelled. No, this is big mistake. So x square is has a degree is 2, so it means that there are two possibilities. We get two roots in here, so we change in here x to the left side, their sign is also changed. Now we are taking common in here, x is common, 4x minus 1 is remaining, is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0 and 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So one of the root we get x is equal to 0 and 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 1, we change to the right side, so their sign is also changed. X in dividing both sides by 1 by 4, so we get in here two roots, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 by 4. If we want to check our verification, I'll put x is equal to 0. Now 8 exponent of 4 into 0 square is equal to 2 exponent of 0. So something is square, so 0 square, so it will be 0, and in here 2 exponent of 0 is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Yes, our x is equal to 0 is our solution. Similarly, if we want to check x is equal to 1 by 4 and here x is equal to 1 by 4, so what will happen in here? So in the place of 8, 4 and 1 by 4 square is equal to 2 into 1 by 4. Now, so we can simplify further this term. The result becomes in here 8 and 4 and 1 by 4, 1 by 16 is equal to 2, 3 by 4. Now this is cancelled to each other, 1 by 4. Now again we can write this 2 exponent of 3. We get 8 and 1 by 4 is equal to 2 exponent of 3 by 4. Exponent rule, we are multiply their exponent. 2 exponent of 3 by 4 is equal to 2 exponent of 3 by 4. Both are same. So x is equal to 1 by 4 is the another root of this exponential equation. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and share this video more and more.